What's up, team? Welcome to day 29 of your September challenge. Things are getting real. 2 days left, and today's challenge is going to be a fun one. Have I said that before? So, we have a challenge where we're going to walk up and down 100 flights of stairs. That's correct. You heard me right. 100 flights of stairs. You're going to get it in today. So, if you have a two-story house, just go up and down 100 times. Boom, you're done. It's as easy as that. You can do that in no time. So, just carve out some blocking time and just walk up and down your stairs. You don't actually have to do it all at once. You could do it throughout the day, but make sure you count and don't be like, well, that was probably around 100 times because I did laundry once and my laundry was downstairs, my room's up here, and there you go, bada boom, I did it. No, count them, do them on purpose and actually together, not just because you're doing your day-to-day things. Get that done and don't just use a stair count stepper. Those things are terrible. They're way off. Make sure you go up and down 100 times on the stairs. It's a workout, team. Get it. Get it done. One more day. I will see you all tomorrow.